In this video, we will see how to create one purchase order. Go to purchase order, click new or press F2, select the PO date, select the supplier. Supplier's location will fetch automatically. Select the warehouse, select the price list, select the payment type. Now select the products. Once I select the product, the price is coming by default from the previous purchase price. Now I want to add one more product. Click add. I am selecting mixed rice. Here also the price came by default. I am giving the quantity 25 kg. I want to add one more product. Green rice. Price fetched by default. I am giving the quantity 10. Now we added 3 products with the quantity and the price, and the total is 1325. Now we can click save and complete. If there is an approval, once after save and complete, it will go for the approval. If there is no approval is configured, once we press save and complete, purchase order is done. Now in this example, approval is configured, so the status is showing us waiting for approval.